Good morning, friends. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today onwards, we will learn about HTML5. So why we have to learn HTML5 in 2024? Let's see. And today onwards, we will start the classes on HTML5 and how it is important to our career and all those things we will discuss in this video. And yeah, let's start the class. So what's the first point? Improved user experience. HTML5 provides a better user experience by offering offline storage, geolocation, web workers, which enhance the functionality and responsiveness of web applications. Responsiveness of web applications. Enhanced multimedia support. Enhanced multimedia support. HTML5 includes native support for multimedia elements like video, audio, eliminating with the need for third-party plugins like Adobe Flash, making it easier to create interactive and engaging web content. So by using of HTML, we can use the video tag and audio tags to display our audio and video on the web page. And better for performance. HTML's improved performance is achieved through the use of web workers, which allow for more efficient processing of tasks in the background, and the application cache, which enables faster loading of web pages. So HTML improving performance is achieved through the use of web workers, which allows for more efficient processing of tasks in the background. Cross-device compatibility. HTML5 is designed to work seamlessly across various devices and browsers, ensuring that web applications are accessible and functional regardless of the function or device used. So we can use HTML in different various devices and various browsers. So it is a cross-device compatibility. Online support. HTML allows for offline support, enabling user to access web applications even without an active internet connection. If you don't have internet connection also, it's no problem. We can access the web application without the internet also. This is particularly useful for mobile devices and applications that require frequent offline use. Improved security. HTML5 includes enhanced security features such as the ability to restrict access to certain parts of a web page, which helps protect users from malicious content and attacks. So HTML5 includes enhanced security features. So it is difficult to hack your web page, what you have designed. So which helps protect users from malicious content and attacks. Simplified code. HTML5 syntax is simpler and more readable, making it easier for developers to write and maintain code, which is particularly important for large-scale web applications. So it is very simpler HTML code. Anybody can learn and write the code, and you can maintain the code also, which is particularly important for large-scale web applications. Increased flexibility. HTML5 offers a wide range of new features, tags that provide more flexibility in designing and building web applications, allowing developers to create more dynamic and interactive content. So HTML offers a wide range of new features and tags that provide more flexibility in designing and building web applications. It will provide more new features and new tags, which can help developers to build good websites and dynamic and interactive content. Better support for accessibility. HTML5 include new semantic elements that improve accessibility for users with disabilities, such as screen readers, by providing more context and structure to web pages. So HTML5 includes new semantic elements. So that improves accessibility for users with disabilities, such as screen readers, by providing more context and structure to web pages. Future proofing. Learning HTML5 in 2024 ensures that developers are equipped with the skills to build modern web applications that are compatible with the latest technologies and trends, and making them more competitive in the job market and better prepared for future developments in the field. So learning HTML5 in 2020 ensures the developers are equipped with the skills to build modern web applications that are compatible with the latest technologies and trends, making them more competitive in the job market and better prepared for future developments in the field. So this is how we can know how important we have to learn HTML5 in 2024. So if you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you will get the notification whenever I upload videos in YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.